Hey guys, welcome back. This is the importance of having gray layers in Photoshop, a photo editing program, to do dodging and burning. Dodging is to lighten up some parts of the image, while burning is to darken some part of the image. So to start, we have this image of this young lady, and then afterwards you want to add the gray layer. To do this, click on Layer, New Layer, and then change the mode to soft light, and then tick the box for fill with soft light neutral color, which is 50% gray, and then click on OK. So you want to lighten up some parts of the image. So click on the brush tool, and then let's say if we decrease the opacity to, let's say, 16, and then make it white for the brush. And then let's say if you want to lighten up the back part of this hair, so paint it so that it's brighter, just like so. Fancy, isn't it? So keep brushing until you get the brightness that you want. So this is before, without the lightened part, and then this is the after. The hair gets slightly lightened, just like this, much brighter, just like so. So if you want to do dodging and burning at the same time, we did the dodging earlier, so let's do both. So to do this, click on Layer, New Layer, and then set the mode to soft light. Tick the box for fill with soft light neutral color, 50% gray, which will be our gray layer, and then click on OK. Afterwards, create the same one, the same layer, with the same settings. This will be the dodge layer. This is the dodge layer, and then this will be the burn layer. So with burn layer, change the color of the brush to black, and then let's say if we increase the opacity to, let's say, this 33. Let's say if you want to make this part of the tree darker. So with this brush and in this burn layer, you make this part of the tree darker, just like this. Now it's darker. Fancy, isn't it? All set now. You can even, like increase the intensity so that it's much darker, just like this. Fancy. And now this is the dodge layer, where some parts of the image will be brighter. So let's say if we want to make the back part of the hair brighter, but really bright. So increase the opacity, and then change the brush color to white. Increase the size of the brush if you want to. Make it bright, just like this. Ooh, fancy. Now the hair gets brighter. Woohoo! Really noticeable. And then let's say if you want to make this part lighter as well, just like this. And also this one, maybe the ground and the bush. Alright, we're done with the dodging and burning using gray layers. So this is the before, this is before, and after some parts have been darkened and lightened up. So that's the importance of having gray layers to do dodging and burning, which is brighten and darken some parts of the image in Photoshop. Thanks for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.